Living with diabetes is a daily journey that demands a meticulous approach to maintaining one's health. The intricacies of this condition extend far beyond mere awareness. They delve into the realms of constant vigilance, both over diet and lifestyle. For those who grapple with diabetes, the perpetual need to monitor blood sugar levels and manage carbohydrate intake becomes a fundamental aspect of their lives. In this context, the role of fruits in one's diet takes on a particular significance. These natural wonders, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, offer a multitude of benefits that can enhance overall well-being. Yet, for individuals living with diabetes, this seemingly straightforward dietary choice is fraught with complexity. It's not just a matter of consuming fruits, but rather a question of which fruits and in what quantities. In the following discussion, we will embark on an exploration of 9 fruits that can serve as invaluable allies in the management of diabetes. These fruits, selected for their unique qualities, can help stabilize blood sugar levels, boost overall health, and tantalize the taste buds. Simultaneously, we will navigate the territory of 8 fruits that require caution, as their natural sugars and carbohydrate content may pose challenges for those seeking to maintain their blood glucose within safe ranges. Through this journey, we aim to shed light on the nuanced world of fruit consumption for individuals with diabetes, emphasizing the significance of informed, balanced choices and the profound impact these choices can have on one's well-being. Favorable fruits for diabetics. 1. Strawberries. With their enticing red color and sweet tart taste, strawberries are a fantastic choice for diabetics. Low in carbohydrates and calories, they aid in managing blood sugar levels by slowing sugar absorption. Strawberries are also packed with essential vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which supports immune function and collagen production. Enjoy them alone, add them to yogurt or salads, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. 2. Apples. A classic and widely available option, apples are a nutritious choice for diabetics. Their fiber content helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing digestion, preventing spikes in glucose. Apples also contain antioxidants like flavonoids, linked to improved insulin sensitivity and reduced heart disease risk. Opt for apple varieties with lower sugar content, such as Granny Smith or Pink Lady, and consider consuming them with their skin for added nutritional value. 3. Blueberries. These small, vibrant berries are a powerhouse of health benefits for diabetics. Their low glycemic index and high fiber content work in harmony to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Blueberries are also rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which are associated with reducing heart disease risk and promoting overall health. Whether fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies, blueberries offer a flavorful and nutritious addition to a diabetic's diet. 4. Cherries. Vibrant and sweet tart cherries are a delightful and nutritious choice for diabetics. Low in calories and rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, cherries have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar. Their fiber content aids digestion and helps maintain blood sugar levels. Cherries also contain compounds like anthocyanins, linked to reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or incorporated into recipes, cherries offer a diabetes-friendly option. 5. Oranges. These citrus gems, when consumed in moderation, can be a healthy addition to a diabetic's diet. Oranges provide fiber that slows sugar absorption into the bloodstream, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes. They are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which supports the immune system and collagen synthesis. For optimal blood sugar management, choose whole oranges over orange juice, as they contain more fiber. 6. Avocados. These unique fruits, high in healthy fats, are an excellent choice for diabetics. Despite their calorie content, avocados are low in carbohydrates and have minimal effects on blood sugar. Their monounsaturated fats promote heart health and insulin sensitivity. Avocados are also rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, provides a feeling of fullness, and regulates blood sugar. Whether mashed onto toast, added to salads, or blended into smoothies, avocados offer a creamy, nutrient-dense option. 7. Pears. Juicy and sweet pears are a nutritious choice for diabetics, thanks to their high fiber content, which regulates blood sugar levels by slowing sugar absorption. Pears also contain essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. Opt for fresh pears over canned versions to avoid added sugars or syrups. Pears can be enjoyed as a snack, added to salads, or used in recipes. 8. Guava. This tropical fruit offers a unique flavor and aroma and is a nutritious choice for diabetics. Guava is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making it favorable for blood sugar management. The fiber content helps regulate blood glucose levels and promotes satiety. Guava is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene, which contribute to its potential health benefits. Fresh guava can be enjoyed as a snack, added to salads, or blended into smoothies. 9. Kiwi. With its vibrant green flesh and tangy sweet flavor, kiwi is a nutritious fruit for diabetics. Kiwis have a low glycemic index and are rich in fiber, aiding digestion and blood sugar regulation. They're also an excellent source of vitamin C, providing more than the daily recommended intake in just one fruit. Other essential nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin E, and potassium contribute to kiwis' potential health benefits. Sliced kiwis can be added to fruit salads, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as a standalone snack. When incorporating these fruits into your diabetic diet, remember that moderation and portion control are key principles to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Fruits to limit or avoid for diabetics. 1. Grapes. Grapes are high in sugar and can lead to a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. Limit portion sizes or choose fruits with lower sugar content. 2. Pineapple. Pineapple contains high amounts of sugar and carbohydrates. Consume it in moderation or opt for lower sugar fruits. 3. Bananas. High in carbohydrates and sugar, opt for smaller bananas and consume them in moderation. 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is high in sugar and can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Limit portion sizes or choose fruits with lower sugar content. 5. Dried fruits. Dried fruits are concentrated sources of sugar and carbohydrates. Choose fresh fruits over dried ones whenever possible. 6. Mangoes. Mangoes are high in sugar and carbohydrates. Consume them in moderation or opt for lower sugar alternatives. 7. Fruit juices. Fruit juices are often high in sugar and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. Opt for consuming whole fruits to control blood sugar levels. 8. Canned fruits in syrup. Canned fruits in syrup are loaded with added sugars. Choose fresh or canned fruits in natural juice or water to avoid excess sugar intake. In conclusion, incorporating a variety of fruits into a diabetic diet is important for overall health and well-being. Fruits like blueberries, strawberries, apples, and avocados offer numerous benefits for individuals with diabetes, including a low glycemic index, high fiber content, and essential nutrients. However, it's crucial to be mindful of fruits like bananas, grapes, pineapple, and dried fruits, as they can be higher in natural sugars and carbohydrates. By practicing portion control, balancing fruits with other low-sugar foods, and consulting with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians, individuals with diabetes can enjoy the nutritional benefits of fruits while managing their blood sugar levels effectively. Remember that moderation and personalized guidance are key when incorporating fruits into a diabetic meal plan. Thank you for watching the video and for supporting us with a comment or a like. We invite you to subscribe our channel to keep informed about wellness and healthy living.